If you're seeing Epic Games error II-E1003, that usually means your install or download has failed, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These methods are simple, safe, and they solve the issue for most people without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fix videos like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, the most common cause is your internet connection, so start there. Make sure you're using a stable Wi-Fi connection, or even better, a wired Ethernet connection if you have one. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the download and trigger this error. If you're using a VPN, turn it off for now, because VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games Launcher downloads. Next, restart your router. Unplug it, leave it off for about 2 minutes, and then turn it back on. That gives your network a full refresh and can clear temporary connection problems. Once your internet is stable again, try the download one more time. If the error is still happening, open the Epic Games Launcher, then go to Settings. Scroll down until you find the Download section. Here, look for the option that says Limit Download Speed and turn it off. Sometimes a limited download setting can cause the launcher to stall or fail, especially if the network is changing or the bandwidth cap is too low. After disabling it, close Settings and retry the download. If that doesn't solve it, the next fix is to restart the launcher properly. Close Epic Games Launcher completely, then open Task Manager and make sure there are no Epic Games processes still running in the background. If you see any, end those tasks. This is important because a partial restart often leaves corrupted launcher activity active in memory. Once everything is fully closed, reopen the launcher and try again. Now, if you're still getting II-E1003, the issue may be a cached file problem. To fix that, close the launcher again. Then open File Explorer and go to C, Users, Your Name, App Data, Local, Epic Games Launcher, Saved, /. Inside that folder, find the folder called Webcache and delete it. Don't worry, this is just cache data, and deleting it often clears corruption that can stop downloads from working correctly. After deleting Webcache, reopen Epic Games Launcher and test the download again. In many cases, one of these 4 methods will fix the problem immediately. If the first method works, great. If not, move through the others in order and check after each one. The key is to make sure the launcher is running cleanly, your network is stable, and the cache is refreshed. If this video helped you fix Epic Games error II-E1003, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.